Hello, what's happening, guys? This is Aditya from Random Noteworthy. Um, I'm going to be making a series of videos, probably six parts or five parts, to explain the basics and tutorials of the Sony Vegas Pro 10, published by the Sony Creative Software. So Vegas Pro 10 is a professional HD and audio production, HD video and audio production. So, so this is what you get when you first start it. I just bought it, so this is what you get. First off, in the main toolbar that you get in every software, um, here you get new, open, close, save as, um, and then render as. That option will be available only when you finish editing a video or something, and then you can render the video in any format, WMA, AVI, all the major formats. Here's real-time render, import. You can import media, AAF, an AAF file, broadcast wave, DVD, camcorder, RISC, and you can add closed captioning. And selecting these options will directly get your video to this bar over here. You can capture video directly if your webcam or something. That you have a webcam, I have one right here. You can either do that. You can directly capture a video, and you can save it in any format. And here's an extract audio from CD, publish, get media from the web, properties, and exit. Again, guys, this is just a basic. This is just an introduction for what I'm going to be doing. So I'm just going to be explaining the features that you get in this video, and then later on I'll be making tutorial videos to help you get it on with this software. Here you can edit the editing tools: post edit, ripple, select, editing tool, extensions, switches, take, group, stream, channels. Here's view. You can select what are the things that you want to be displayed in the menu. If you don't want toolbar, you can select it or deselect it. Status bar, all the stuff. So this is the default right now. As you can see, I'm starting the software for the first time, so it's all of these features. All of these features are in default mode. Here's audio, and going on to the insert option, you have audio envelopes. You can mute or unmute, and you can edit the volume also and pan it. So that's audio, video, and you can either, if you have an audio playing in the video, if you want to mix an audio with the video, you can mute the track of the video and mix the audio with the video. So that's a nice option. And audio track, video track, audio bus, audio input bus, audio assignable effects, empty event, text media, generated media, time, marker, region, audio CD track region, audio CD track index, and command. So let me just tell you what's there in command. It's just some shortcuts, and you can select. So say that the video is 30 minutes long or 1 hour long, you can, by selecting command, you can just go to the 30th minute or the last minute, so you don't have to scroll through this bar over here, so it saves a lot of time. So going on to the options, you have again you can select or deselect what how much of these features that you want in your this thing main menu. So you have metronome, loop playback, bypass all audio, FX, mute all audio, mute all video, time code, and in time code you can generate a MIDI time code. You can generate a MIDI clock, and you can trigger from MIDI clock time code. You have external control, customized toolbar, and customized keyboard. Preferences. This is preferences. All the settings. Moving on to help, it has all the contents in English, index, what's this, keyboard shortcuts, blah blah blah, and about Vegas Pro. You can see that it's licensed. You get all the information about your computer, how fast your, how integrated your software, how fully integrated your software works in your computer. So that's with that. So coming on to the main menu, you have some shortcuts for some of the features that we have already seen in this toolbar over here. So you have new empty project, open, save as, render as, all those important features, shortcuts, as I said. So these features you can either select from here, or you can go to file and do it the harder way. So, and there are 3 columns here, default columns. If you want to widen either one of these columns here, all you have to do is this. So as you can see, the media track, all the import media, I can just widen it if I wanted to. Same thing, I can do it with the list of media that I have. Same thing, I can do it. And this is the video and all that. So I just closed it by mistake, so sorry. So you can do the same thing with that. And this is the audio. Let me my camera. This is the audio master. So this is the audio master. So in case you're mixing an audio with the video, or just mastering, or you're just creating an audio, again, this is a Vegas Pro 10, in which you can create audio, normal plain audio files, as well as plain video files, or you can mix both together. So this is like a SoundForge and a Windows Movie Maker put together. So that's a cool thing. So here's audio master and all that. So I can do the same thing with this also. I can just widen it. So coming on, so let me just move a little bit. Coming on to the tray over here, these are shortcuts for some features. So I can either go to tools for this, or I can go to these shortcut bars. So here's project media, explorer, in which I can search for media files and all that. Here's transitions, kind of like a tongue twister. Sorry, transitions, which is similar to the Windows Movie Maker feature. Only difference is that this has more features. More transitions than the Windows Movie Maker. So you have 3D cascade, 3D blinds, 3D fly in and out, and each of these presets you have an extra 3 or 4 presets built into it. So that's nice. So here's video FX, which is similar to the FX bar of the Windows Movie Maker. So here's this. This is FX. Here you have infinite amount of options for video effects. Here's media generators, color gradient, credit roll, noise texture, prototype titler, solid color, test pattern, text, legacy plugin, text, and the other legacy plugin, the video factory. So this is nice. And over here in this column will be displayed all the media that you have imported. So I'm gonna be sampling. So I wanna get any media into my this bar over here. Okay, as you know, sorry, I closed the video tray by mistake, and I don't know how to bring it back on. Sorry about that. So So that's that. So this is the media column over here. I can edit, I can delete or add some stuff into it. So this is like a key feature in most of the Sony Sony Creative Software. So I want to delete all this. I want to delete all this also. Delete. So there's this part over here. This lonely guy over here. I can just mix it. That's nice. A perfect tool for editing. So this lonely guy, I bring it over here. Bring this lonely guy over here. That's it. So that's a simple feature. It's a very user-friendly software, as you can see. Okay, I just deleted all the media from my media tray, so that's it. Here you have the video master and the audio master. Instead of going here, you can just directly do it on these two columns over here, these two bars. Here's the you can increase or decrease the speed of your video. Mine's halfway through, 0, and here are another set of shortcuts. Here's another set of shortcuts. So this software is mainly filled with shortcuts and all that. So to make things easier, it certainly makes things easier. So here's record, a shortcut for recording a video, an extra video directly from my webcam over here. So yeah, here's audio ripple. Here's a bunch of things. Here are video tutorials, interactive tutorials, which will help you sort out something if you're struggling with it. That's a really nice feature. Here, if you go to interactive tutorials, you have a list of options, list of something like the FAQs, some problems or difficulties that people may be having. So these are the major amount of problems or some help needed by the people. So Sony has had a nice amount of features to help you guys. But how to record audio, there's an interactive tutorial, sample tutorial. Yeah, that's it. Okay guys, this is the end of my introduction for the Vegas Pro 10. If you're interested in more, if you have difficulties, I'll be uploading how-tos and stuff, more high-end interactive, and not interactive actually. I mean, something like you can say tutorial or something. So I'll be uploading that. Thanks for watching this. This is just an introduction to give you a brief overview of all the features that this software contains. And this software in the market right now is $599.99. If you can either go to go online and buy this software, or you can just go to any store, any hardware or electronic store like Best Buy or Circuit City, and you can buy this software for $600. You can say it's worth it because it's a combination of two superb editors, SoundForge and this thing. This Vegas Pro 10 is just like a SoundForge with video editing tools. So yeah. So thanks for watching my video, guys. This is Aditya Siva from the Random Noteworthy. Comment, subscribe, and like my video. And thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. I'll be uploading the tutorial soon, so watch out. Bye.